Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good day to all of you. It is an honor for me to share a real case of digital procurement implementation in the industry. Today, I'm going to present about the implementation of spending and operational analytics in direct procurement, or STELF, for the digital healthcare companies. This presentation was prepared by Nicholas and Professor Tae-Sun Yu. Major in Industrial Data Science and Engineering, Department of Industrial and Data Engineering, Pukyong National University. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nicholas. I was graduated from Industrial Engineering Universitas Indonesia. After graduation, I focused my professional experience in the field of procurement and supply chain management. I had the opportunity to work for several multinational corporations, such as Procter & Gamble, Shell, Calbee, and Boston Consulting Group. Right now, I am pursuing my master's degree at Pukyong National University. Here is the outline of my presentation for today. We will talk about a little bit about Calbee Digital and Procurement. Why do we need STELF or Procurement Tableau? How the system work, how is the implementation steps, and what is the business impact. Let me start with a little bit explanation about Calbee Digital. So Calbee Pharma is one of pharmaceutical company in Indonesia. Some of its portfolio are prescription pharmaceutical and over-the-counter drugs, energy drink and nutrition products, as well as a robust distribution arm serving over 1 million outlets across Indonesia's vast archipelago. Calbee also has its international presence in ASEAN countries, Nigeria, and South Africa. Furthermore, in order to compete in the market, Calbee also developed its digital business subsidiary called Karsa Lintas Buana or KLB in 2013. This business unit is really a good fit during the current COVID-19 pandemic. KLB, as a digital holding company, consists of 3 subsidiaries, namely Medica Komunika Teknologi or MKT, Karya Hasta Dinamika or KHD, and Cakra Rada Mustika or CRM. Under KLB, all of these 3 companies focus on the digital business expansion. MKT has its digital platform called clickdoctor.com. Basically, it is a teleconsultations. KHD has 2 platforms. The first one is calcare.com. It is e-commerce to sell the products of Calbee. And second, Calcare Outlets is the physical stores in several shopping centers in Indonesia. Meanwhile, CRM is the loyalty program for the customers. It's called Chakra Rewards. KLB launched the procurement department in 2019. So the procurement department is still a new organization. Based on the existing data, most of the procurement is for goods. It is approximately 87%, followed by 30% of service, and the rest 2% is fixed asset. The reason why we need to implement style of procurement tableau are first, procurement department requests long lead time to collect and prepare the procurement data because of huge amount of data from 2 sources. The first one is Oracle and second Excel. Second, when we prepare the data, it is prone to human error, such as wrong Excel formula, wrong data copy, and so on. And third, as I mentioned earlier, Calbee Digital has 4 companies, and each of these companies has their own Oracle platform. and each of the Oracle system is not integrated each other. So as the current situation, the procurement department needs around 4 to 12 days to prepare the data because we don't have any data analytics platform yet, or there is no Tableau yet. So the process starts from the buyer to download the data from Oracle, complete the missing data and consolidate in Microsoft Excel. And after that, procurement manager could analyze the data and create presentation slide. Meanwhile, in the next process, after the Tableau implementation, we hope that every data is already online and up to date in the Tableau platform, and procurement manager is only need to analyze the data. The objective of the project is to increase the efficiency for procurement data processing and report monitoring by reducing the lead time from 12 days to 4 working days. This is the illustration of how the overall system works. So from the 4 oracles, we need to get the data from procurement and finance modules. And after that, certain data processing needs to be applied in the data warehouse. And the data warehouse will supply the data to the Tableau. And another source of data is from Microsoft Excel, which is for the vendor evaluations. And the Tableau here is separated into 2 main categories. The first one is spending analytics, and second is operational analytics. How to develop Style? There are 4 steps. The first one, to design the Tableau. Second, prepare the source data. Third, develop the Tableau. And fourth, review the Tableau. The first step to design the Tableau, we need to have a clear or the expected visualization of the Tableau itself. One of the considerations is from the key performance indicators or KPI. Furthermore, we also need to determine the source of data for each dashboard, such as Oracle, Microsoft Excel, or etc. Second, when preparing the source of data, we need to collaborate with the information technology department. Here, as I mentioned earlier, there are 4 Oracle systems, and from each of the Oracle system, we need to do custom query to get the source table. There are 4 tables that we need to create. The first one is PO summary report. Second is purchase acquisition, purchase order, and good receive monitoring report. Third is supplier master data. And the fourth is the request for payment. And each of these source table will go through the ETL process by using the Microsoft SQL. And the data will be supplied to BI staging. Within the BI staging, from the first source table, it will be extracted, cleansed, or merged, depending on the needs, into 16 source table. And each of the 16 source table will go through ETL process again by using the Microsoft SQL to the BI data warehouse. And all of the data in the BI data warehouse are the ready to use data to source to the Tableau. In addition, we also prepare the Microsoft Excel data for the vendor evaluation score. And it can be directly import to the Tableau. The next step is to develop the Tableau. The platform that we use is Tableau Desktop. Then we import the 2 source data, as I mentioned earlier. The first one is from the data warehouse, and second is from the Microsoft Excel. And after that, we can do some adjustment on the layout by using the Tableau Desktop. such as we would like to draw the graph or table and so on. And the last step is we need to review the Tableau. We need to check whether the Tableau has shown the data completely as what we expect. And we also need to check the drop-down menu, such as the time zone and also the company. Based on our experience, the implementation of sales of or procurement Tableau requires around 8 months, starting from the design the Tableau, prepare the source data, develop the Tableau, and review the Tableau. Here's the overview of the Tableau. This is the home page. This is the dashboard for the spending analytics. This one still the dashboard of spending analytics, but by providing the information of contribution spending by each company. The next one is the dashboard operations, consists of the purchase execution details and also the request for payment details. And the last example is the dashboard operational, which indicates the lead time for the purchase order, purchase requisition, and payment lead time. Next, how sales or the procurement Tableau could create business impact. As a procurement manager, sales really provide a lot of benefit in terms of the faster data for us to do the analysis and also provide the business insight. Here are the 3 examples that we have did in the past. First, when we look at the Tableau, we found out that there was a procurement of laptop rental for operations, which is worth of $6,500 US. The next step, procurement department could trigger a discussion with the business user and finance team on the possibility to buy the laptop. So the decision will be either continuing the rental or buy a new asset. Second, when we check the Tableau for the KHD, we found out that most of the procurement for the marketing merchandise is bed bell and electronic organ. And here, as a procurement team, we are looking for an alternative vendor in order to get a better price. And the third example is from the Tableau at CRM. We found out that there was a procurement of marketing merchandise in the physical forms around 13,000 US. Here, we could look for an opportunity to switch the physical merchandises to e-voucher. And what are the results? The first, by having Tableau, we have a faster data processing lead time, reduced from 12 to 4 days. Second, we could have a better decision making for both the management team as well as procurement. Third, all of the oracles are consolidated into one platform. And fourth, we could reduce the human error. Who could use sales? Directors, head of line of business from each of the digital companies, head of finance, accounting, and tax, head of procurement, and of course, the procurement department itself. And from this implementation, what are the key learning? First, this is a collaboration project with the IT departments. So we need to have a plan in advance. It's around 6 to 10 months. Second, we learned that the data readiness and analytical competencies play significant role to the implementation of Tableau. Last but not least, After the Tableau is created, we need to educate the respective user by applying suitable change management strategy in their organizations. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.